You and your coworkers are likely already using AI tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, or Claude most days at work. But here's the big question. Do you and your team actually know how to use them safely, responsibly, ethically, and securely? Are you risking your own career or your organization without realizing? Here's the uncomfortable truth. Nearly 50% of workers admit to using AI tools without their employer's knowledge or guidance. This is known as shadow AI, when employees use AI without training or oversight. It is now one of the biggest risks to your career and business. It can lead to data leaks, legal liability, misinformation, and serious fines and reputational damage. And that's why we've created this course to train every employee and bring awareness on how to use the latest AI tools safely and securely. This course is led by Michael James, a former big data and AI data science manager with over 15 years of experience working with sensitive and personal data in the healthcare sector.
I'm excited to make sure that you and your team are ready to use AI confidently without putting yourself, your customers, your team, or your organization at risk. Here's some of what this course covers. How to safely use tools like ChatGPT and Copilot in a work environment. I'll give you my 3-tier framework to help you understand and decide which tools are safe and which are not. How to sanitize prompts to avoid exposing private or sensitive data, and how to reduce bias. How to spot and prevent hallucinations and misinformation. I'll tell you what you need to know about copyright and ownership of AI-generated content. Awareness of organizational policies and governmental regulations that you must follow. And I also give you frameworks that you can use to check and verify your AI outputs, and so much more.
This course is designed for everyone, from employees just getting started with AI to managers, team leads, HR, and IT decision makers. So join today to build a workplace where AI is used safely.